Well, thanks for tuning in. I shot this footage late last night when I couldn't sleep and didn't feel like talking, so now I'm going to try and do a voiceover. This will be my first voiceover. There's my dull knife trying to find the seam in all that tape, which, again, it's comforting that that tape is there. We know it hasn't been cracked into by anyone, but it's a little annoying because it's completely taped everywhere and hard to find the seams. Yeah, and that green microfiber cloth, I'm gonna go have to visit a map store or some place where I can find a desktop mat that has a map of Canada, or desktop pad rather. Now, once we open this box, to my surprise, it's not the clam that watch 4, 5, and 6 came in. It's the magnetic tab box. And I'm wondering if, and maybe if you're watching this, you can comment below, are the magnetic flip tab boxes from China and the clam type boxes coming out of the EU, perhaps? So we've got the Pagani Design Omega homage, and I got it on the strap because I didn't want to get another watch with a bracelet, and I like that the orange accents on the strap match the orange accents on the bezel and the hands of the dial. Finish quality is excellent, and the strap doesn't have your typical buckle tine. It's got the butterfly, half butterfly clasp. The action on the crown is very smooth, screw down and pull to adjust. Very nice. I was kind of on the fence on the dial or the date complication because it's not color matched black, but it kind of complements the indices, which are white. Gave it a shake. It looks good on my wrist, but I've got to do some adjustments on the clasp to make it look right. So that'll be coming. And at the end of this video clip, I will put the spec card so that you can scrutinize it. Thanks for watching.